Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel, and I'm up and at 'em at 9:56. I've been up since 8:30 actually. The electrician has come to the house, and Mikey D and I are about to roll to this Home Depot and take back those big ass fans your girl bought. So I made one mistake. Mike, what you laughing at? I made one mistake. How long we've been doing these repairs on the house? I made one big ass mistake and bought some big ass fans for a small kitchen. My bad. But anyway, we're gonna head on over there and see what we can do and find what we find. If not, y'all know your girl, I'll be back on Amazon. That's my spot. I've been trying to give these other stores a chance, but sometimes they be having me confused. I know how to shop on Amazon, but some of these stores be getting me confused. But anywho, we're getting ready to pull on out. I said I was gonna take y'all with me. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see what's up, and then I might take y'all with me. If not, we're gonna run in there and get the hell out of Dodge, because I gotta get home before the sun start baking at that 102 degrees out there, because woo, it'd be rough. But anywho, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Hope y'all are having a great day so far. Stay cute. Why is it still dark in my kitchen? Because you don't have no fan. Let's go.
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real
Hello.
thing.
I'm at the Home Depot trying to get out of working.
Oh no.
But I got the boss sitting here,
I'm about to
so I might as well give that up.
We are here to get you back to work, I hope. But if they ain't right, y'all already know.
So here I go.
Oh, pushing.
I'm going to get the cart.
All right, I'm just gonna sit here and chill out.
And film me while I push.
Watch you walk away. He gone, girl. He gone. Ooh, yes, honey. Y'all too close. Get back, move back. Out to space. Just kidding. Y'all can hang in my space anytime. This is it, y'all. Listen, we are out and about. He's gonna get a cart so we can take these suckers back up in there. And if they don't have what I want here, I'm gonna take it another direction. So, how y'all doing? I'm sorry, but it looks like I can't stop looking up at the little screen. I gotta look here. But we hoping we can get this done. I really want to get this in order, because your girl got to go back to work on Beauty by Sweet Angel before y'all forget who I am. Woo! I want to thank y'all so much for your love and support on these channels, because without y'all, this wouldn't be no fun. I wouldn't have nobody to talk to. See, Mike just left. Okay. Who would I talk to? Okay. But he's got a flat car, and I can see him walking on back up in here. So we're going to show him next why he humping pleased with this little cart. Looking like a champ. I'm telling you, look at there. Got big muscles. Look at the muscles. I see ya. Got him.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back.
Shit, ain't nothing gonna be no funny one you got.
No, I'm saying with the built-in little light. See, all them ones that use them light bulbs, they gonna be cheaper, cause that's like the new, well, the old style stuff. All them, look at that, $79.97. All them cheap. But you start getting them one with the little globe on top. Boom, $100. Well, hundreds in the hundreds. But anyway, I don't see what I'm looking for, so I'm out. Let's go.
Hey.
Oh, which one was it? Yeah, it's gonna look sort of like that one, but even it's smaller than 44 inches. It's like little, but which is cute. I think it's gonna be cute because that's how we're gonna need. You're gonna have a fan in the laundry room and then fans in there. It'll be plenty. Then you're gonna have a new box that's gonna be pulling that air. We're gonna be like, right. Well, let's go then.
3-4 years ago when it first came out. But now, got no wings. I want to know, I'm here at Walmart, and one thing I want to know if you can tell me, how did the rest of the chicken get here without the wings? How did the rest of the chicken get here without the wings? I want y'all to answer that question. That's all I need. You want me to say something?
Yeah. What you gonna get? Chicken thighs?
Hey, y'all trying to get some? I'm just gonna eat a damn chicken claw.
Chicken feet, chicken paws.
Chicken toes.
They call them chicken paws.
Chicken paws.
I thought it was chicken claws.
Alright.
Chicken thighs.
You want that? And they got a lot of meat. Once you get rid of all that bullshit.
It's been 3 months since we talked. Feel like you're on a roll, yeah. Me, myself, and I just keep on stumbling around. You got someone else who is loving you. And oh, there he goes. Panic, I'm an addict, feel that rage inside. And oh, he don't even know. Babe, how can you be so blind? 'Cause I
Well, we did that. We did that. We
Yeah.
did.
There's a little bit of stuff right here costs $79.
Ooh,
I
child.
cannot believe the price. $79. And I
That
eat
you pay
one
for some
deal.
paper.
Yep.
Buying paper.
You put the paper with paper. That's the way you do it. One thing about it, we blessed.
Thank you, Lord. Well, y'all, I guess that's it for today. We're going to head on to the house.
And I don't have to put up no fan.
You don't have to put on no fan. Because your girl got to do what she doing. Click that button in order from my folks. For real. Today is Prime Day as well, y'all. So remember, Amazon Prime, go save you some money. And shop my links below too. Yeah, we'll see y'all. We out. Bye.